Okay, so we have two fractions that are being subtracted. We need the denominators to be the same, and we are lucky because they are exactly the same. All right, so we're going to leave the denominator the same. In fact, what I'll do is factor it. Well, I'll just write it out. It's going to be 6x squared plus 12x, and we'll factor it later. Okay, so the numerator, we are just going to subtract the numerator. So I'll write it out in this way. It's okay, x squared plus 8x minus x squared minus 2x minus 20. The only thing we need to recognize here is the fact that we need to distribute, if I can find my cursor, where'd it go? There it is. Distribute the negative to all three terms to the right. Which in turn changes all the signs to its opposite sign. So we have x squared plus 8x minus x squared plus 2x plus 20 is in the numerator. And in the denominator, we get 6x squared plus 12x. Okay. Okay, now we can go about combining like terms. We have an x squared and a negative x squared. Okay, they end up giving you 0. And then we have an 8x plus 2x. 8x plus 2x is 10x. All right, 8x plus 2x is 10x. And then we have a plus 20. All right, now back to the denominator. We have 6x squared plus 12x in the denominator. All right, so this is pretty much the answer, but let's look and see if we can simplify first. So let's look at the numerator. In the numerator, it appears that we can factor the numerator. Okay, I'll be using the greatest common factor, GCF. So 10 is the greatest common factor, and we divide out 10, it'll leave me with x plus 2. All right, in the denominator, we have 6x squared plus 12x. So we factor, still using the greatest common factor of 6x. All right. If we divide out 6x from the first term, it leaves me, we're talking about this term here. Divide out 6x squared, it'll leave me with x. Plus divide out 6x squared from this term here. 12 divided by 6 is 2. And take away the x. And it'll leave me with what we have there. Okay, so let's look and see if we can simplify. If there's something in the numerator that matches with something in the denominator. Can it be factored? Or can it be reduced or simplified? Yes. So 10. 2 divides into 10 5 times. 2 divides into 6 3 times. Okay, and x plus 2 cancels. The 2x plus 2's cancel. All right, so in the numerator we have 5. In the denominator I see 3 and the x. So it cannot be reduced any further. So this is our final answer.